Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi, Colorado. This is Cleet Crocker. I'm here again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom, and I want to show you some new technology. It's really cool from LG. So you know I love to show you guys washers and dryers, especially big ones and family size ones. Well, LG has got this. It's called a WashTower. It's actually both the washer and dryer all in one. And we've seen that before in our past, but normally we don't see these of this family size. So if we take a look at the bottom, we see the washer. It's 4.5 cubic foot. What does that mean? That means you can get just about anything you want in there, even a California king size comforter. And so it'll handle anything. Same thing with the dryer. Whatever you can get in there, you can put into the dryer and it'll dry it just fine. Now, if you're doing a big king size comforter, you might have to turn it over a few times, but for the most part, if you want to throw all your towels in there, all of your jeans, you know, whatever you want to do, it'll handle the hard stuff with no problem. But this has got some really special features that we normally don't see and what they used to call a unitized piece. And this is what makes this different from anybody else. So normally what we see is controls up above here. And that's just not going to happen on this one. The controls are right here in the middle. So one of the things that prevented some of the people from purchasing something like this in the past was they just couldn't reach the controls. And now you can see you can do the controls with no problem. It also has some advanced features in it, something I haven't seen before, where it will actually sense the kind of fabric you're putting in there and set itself for what it needs to wash it. So that's new. That's something I haven't seen in other laundry sets before. Now it's got some of the LG's great features, like it's got turbo wash in the washer. So that means it's going to be able to wash full loads much faster than the average one because it turns on all these jets that go all the way around this thing. And it does a lot of the processes all at once, where other brands will take and do those processes one at a time. So that's pretty cool. It's got in here, if you can see the ridges at the bottom, I always like to point these out. Those are there to kind of lift up the fabric and prevent you from wearing it out. It means that you're not going to get those kind of snags that you would have gotten in the past. So it's really gentle on your fabric. And it's got steam wash inside there. So that means that it's when you use that, it will actually penetrate the fabric first, kind of loosens up the fabric, pops the stains off, and allows you to have a normal wash in there. So it won't do anything more than what a stain remover would, but it prevents you from having to use a stain remover, which is really great. So on the dryer side as well, it's also got its turbo steam there as well. And again, what we like to see about that is that you know, when you're done with the laundry, it's set there for a while and it starts wrinkling up on its own. Well, you can just refresh in here. It'll steam it up and you'll get it out just like you got there when it first came out. So it's really nice in terms of keeping you from having to re-iron your clothes. Okay, so that saves you a lot of time. So I really, really like this. You know, one of the other things that are very rare on washer and dryer is it has the ability to fight allergens. And so coming into the season we're about to go into, that's really pretty cool. And with the pandemic, it's also very good at sanitizing your clothes, getting the bacteria and germs out of there. I think it kills up to 99.9% on its own. So we really like this set. And this is the nicest one they have in the LG line. There's one that has a few less features on it, but it actually costs more today because this one's on sale. So now's the time to come in and get it.